Hello everyone. First of all, these pictures on the screen currently are some renders I've made over the past couple of days. I wasn't completely sure what to put here, so I'm just using some renders. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to import models or Roblox characters from Roblox Studio into Blender 2.80. So enough talking, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so my studio is up to the latest version, up to date to the latest version. So if you haven't updated your studio in a while, make sure you update that, because the steps might be a little different throughout the different versions. But yeah, so I have my character right just in the 3D viewport. So if you click on your character with the move tool, and then in explore under workspace, you should see your character's name being highlighted in blue. So you're gonna right click that and then go to export selection. I'm gonna save that OBJ to my desktop. So I'm gonna name it that and then press save. So now in Blender, you're gonna go up to File, Import, wait for an OBJ, then go to wherever you saved it and find the file and then import it. So, for some reason, my models don't ever spawn right where the 3D cursor is. So I always have to move them. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm gonna speed it up. Okay, now that my character is placed, I'm gonna press 0 on my numpad to go in the camera, and then just place the camera where I want it to be. So I'm going to place it like that. And if we render that, as you can see, it'll look like that. But if you haven't noticed yet, the character is not textured. So we're gonna go up here, and then the third one from the left, you're gonna click that logo, and then as you can see, the character is textured now. So I recommend you keep it on this setting when just setting the scene, because this is the fully rendered. Okay, so this is an editor's note. So I wasn't very clear about what I was trying to say in that last little snippet, if you know what I mean. But what I was trying to say was that if you have it on the fully rendered version, it's very GPU intensive, so make your computer a little slow. So I just recommend you keep it on just kind of the basic textured setting with not much lighting, but work more efficient. Yeah, that's all. Back to the video. I use that when I'm setting up lighting just to see how it looks, obviously, when it would be rendered. But yeah, we've accomplished our goal because the character is in Blender without any errors. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you next weekend.